we're shifting our focus. Another breaking news coming in. Elevated monorail gets stuck between Mysore Colony and Bhakti Park Station amid heavy rainfall in Mumbai. Cranes are being used for the rescue operation there. One monorail is what we're learning near the Mysore Colony station has experienced a minor power supply issue. The operation and maintenance teams are already on the spot, and those are the visuals that you can see on the screen. And they are working to quickly resolve this issue that has in fact come to the fore from Mumbai. Remember, there have been incessant rains there, waterlogging at several areas, and now at this particular spot the rescue operation is currently underway. We're learning, in fact, that an elevated monorail has gotten stuck between the Mysore Colony and Bhakti Park Station. And this is because of the heavy rainfall that is, in fact, going on in Mumbai. And cranes, as you can see on your screen, cranes are being used for the rescue operation that is underway. One monorail train near Mysore Colony in and around the Mumbai area has experienced a minor power supply issue. The operation and maintenance teams are already at the site. And for now, the services between Wadala and Chembur, they are running smoothly on a single line. And in fact, this is a message that has come to the fore from the administration there, that monorail train that you can see, and this is near the Mysore Colony station that has gotten struck. And we're learning that the crane is there on the spot, and that is something that you can see in the visuals as well. And it appears that people from this monorail are being rescued as well using that crane. And this is happening on the day when there have been incessant rains. The entire city has come to a grinding halt, and at that time we can see that this green color monorail, all the lights inside it have also gone off, and people are being rescued out by that crane as well. And there are the rescuers on the spot. Listen into what they say.
पूरी टीम इन्वॉल्व है, फायर डिपार्टमेंट की और पुलिस की. रेस्क्यू काम चालू है. कितने लोग हैं आपकी जानकारी में ट्रेन में अटके हुए हैं? आप कितने लोग हैं?
All right, so rescue team is there at the spot, and they are saying that rescue operation is currently underway. But look at the visuals on the right-hand side of your screen. The rescue operation is currently underway. That crane is being used to bring out the people from that mono rail that you can see on the screen. The green color engine is the mono rail. It's an elevated monorail that has gotten stuck between the Mysore Colony and Bhakti Park Station, and this is because of the heavy rains that are currently underway. As you can see on the screen, the operation and maintenance teams are already on the spot, and they are working to quickly resolve this issue. The service between Wadala and Chembur are running smoothly is what we're learning, but this one monorail has gotten stuck near the Mysore Colony, and people are being brought out. And you can also see on the screen how it is still raining in Mumbai, and the entire city has been brought to a screeching halt. There have been waterlogging, several flights which have been diverted, cancelled, diverted to the neighbouring state, and the people there are facing a lot of issues, and that is why the school, colleges, offices have also been closed. But as we can see that some people must have taken this monorail, but this has gotten stuck near the Mysore Colony. Between Mysore Colony and Bhakti Park Station is what we are learning, and this was because of a minor power supply issue, and because of that now it has shut down. And to bring out the people from there, this crane is being used. The rescue operation is currently underway. The teams are there at the spot. We can also see that the police team is there, and the maintenance team, the operation teams are also at the spot, and people are being brought out from that monorail. It appears that there has been some power supply issue. People, you can see on the screen, people are waiting to be rescued one by one, and they are being brought down using that crane one by one. They are being brought down. So this is in fact the situation in Mumbai. There is waterlogging at several places. This monorail has also come to a screeching halt. In fact, flights have been delayed. And this raises a lot of questions on the infra there. But in this particular case, we're learning that this is because of the power supply issue. The power has gone off, and hence this monorail has come to a screeching halt. And to bring out the people from there, this crane is being used. There are several rescue teams that are there on the spot. And one by one, you can see that all of them are being brought down. So it appears that this is going on smoothly right now. The rescue teams are working tirelessly to bring them out one by one using this crane, and these people in fact are being brought out from there. And this to tell all the people who have just joined in, this is in fact a elevated monorail that has got stuck between the Mysore Colony and Bhakti Park station, and this is because of the heavy rain. We are learning that there was a minor power supply issue, and right now the operation and maintenance team are already on the spot, and using these cranes people are being brought out from that area one by one. Just a while back, in fact, we got in a word from the rescue team official as well, and he said that the rescue is currently going on. People are being brought out one by one, but quite shocking what is happening in Mumbai. People are facing a lot of issues. There's waterlogging, flights have been cancelled too. As many as 250 flights have been delayed today. The entire international airport in Mumbai is completely waterlogged. Cars have been submerged, and now on the screen you can see that a monorail has also come to a screeching halt. All right, so in the visuals you can see this is a green monorail that has gotten stuck between the Mysore Colony and Bhakti Park station in the heavy rain, and it appears that it's still raining there in Mumbai. And this was, we're learning, this was because of a minor power supply issue. Now to bring out the people, as you can see on the screen, these cranes have been deployed there, and there are people at the spot, the rescue team that are trying to bring them out one by one. These rescue teams are trying to bring them out, and there on the screen you can see how people are cramped up in that monorail, but it appears take a lot of time, because one by one, very carefully, they are being brought out by the rescue team there. The task is tough before the rescue team as well. Now, as you can see on the screen, it is still raining there in Mumbai. People are being brought out one by one. The power supply has been cut off as far as this monorail is concerned. So the task is tough, but appears that in fact, it is going on smoothly there. We'll try and get our reporter to tell us what is in fact going on the ground. But we are learning that this is an incident that has taken place between Mysore Colony and Bhakti Park. Now the rescue operation is currently underway.
When he was stuck for more than 2 hours, 1.5 hours, what he said to us.
All right, in fact, we are getting in a statement from the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. In just a while back, he has put out a statement on social media.
और सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये थी कि सफोकेशन ज़्यादा हो रहा था। मैं तो अस्थिर था, लेकिन बहुत सारे लेडीज जो अभी भी फंसे हुए हैं, उनको सफोकेशन हो रहा है, बहुत परेशान हो रहे हैं।
तो
खिड़की तो अभी लास्ट मोमेंट में अंदर से जबरदस्ती तोड़ा है, तब जाकर के थोड़ी सी हवा मिली है। नहीं तो 1 घंटे से मोनोरेल खड़ा था, वेंटिलेशन का कोई साधन नहीं। इतना पतला सा एक कांच का है, उसको हल्का सा घुमा करके, इतनी पैक पब्लिक है, वो थोड़ा सा वेंटिलेशन क्या काम में आएगा? कुछ भी काम में नहीं आएगा।
बंद है इसलिए ओवरलोड दी है।
लोकल ट्रेन बंद है, वो तो मौसम का एक अपना है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, प्राकृतिक आपदा है। लेकिन मोनोरेल की जो सर्विस है ना, हमेशा से खराब रही है, बिल्कुल।
So the rescue operation is currently underway. Those are the visuals on the screen on the day when there's been incessant